In this lesson, we'll be talking about how to divide quantity or amount according to a given ratio. We have a simple example where Joseph and Cecilia are to share a profit of 36 million according to the ratio 3:1. We need to work out how much each receives. So we set up our ratio, Joseph 3 and Cecilia 1. And remember, ratio helps you to compare one thing to another. So that means that Joseph will receive 3 parts of 36 million. Cecilia will receive only 1 part. So let's work out the total part. 3 plus 1 is 4 parts. So 4 parts represent 36 million. So find out 1 part by dividing 36 million by 4 parts. Once we divide the total amount by total parts, we have 9 million, which represent only 1 part. Once we know 1 part, it's easy to work out any other part. So you just need to multiply each of the ratio by the amount we got for 1 part. So 3 times 9 for Joseph and 1 times 9 for Cecilia. So we have 27 million for Joseph and Cecilia is 9 million. So our answer is Joseph receives 27 million pounds and Cecilia receives 9 million pounds. And always your final answer, when you add them up, they should equal to the amount that they shared. Let's look at sharing among 3 people. So ABC are to share 200 according to the ratio 8:5:7. We need to work out how much each will receive. So the same steps, A, B, and C, and we'll write out the ratio 8:5:7. So A receives 8 parts, B 5 parts, and C 7 parts. Let's work out the total parts. By adding, we get 20 parts. 20 parts represent 200 pounds. So let's work out just 1 part by dividing 200 by 20. So here we have 10 pounds as just 1 part. Now we need to multiply each of the ratios by 1 part, which represents 10 pounds. So 8 times 10 for A, 5 times 10 for B, 7 times 10 for C. And we have the amount. So we can write our final answer as A receives 80 pounds, B 50 pounds, and C 70 pounds. So you realize that the steps is simply the same. You find total parts, you find what 1 part represents, then use the value of 1 part to multiply each of the ratios. Now you need to remember that this is only when you know that the ratio is given and also the total amount for all of them is given. Sometimes you need to be very careful. The amount stated might not necessarily be the amount for all of them. And we'll be treating more of such questions in lesson 3.